Okay, so let's just continue what we discussed. Due to the network issue, we just just open the previous model we discussed here. So just wait few minutes. It takes some time for opening the MATLAB model and just try to complete the simulation part. Uh, just wait few more minutes. It takes some times. Yeah. So just write here Simulink. ओके, आवाज जा रही है?
यस सर, आ रही है।
Okay, so just try to finish the simulation of this circuit, and then we will stop the session here. So it takes time sometimes for the clap again here. We just try to open the new model here. We just close this one and it's a lot of time for opening the MATLAB. So just type here Simulink. Just quickly track all the component what you required for the circuit. Just here. It's working too slow, MATLAB actually. Try. Just create here the space. Just quickly drag all the block what you require for the circuit from the Simulink library and just finish the simulation part of the circuit. Okay. So just wait few more minutes. Takes a lot of time for opening the MATLAB. That's why okay, so just quickly drag all the block what you required from the Simulink library. Okay. First of all, sync. Just drag the and then single phase AC source. And one thyristor and RL load. Our electron is just click on the thyristor. and load pulse generator and power guide. Two more blocks, just drag onto the workspace. Next is your power guide. And now just simulate the circuit. Okay. So just put this one here. Pulse generator. Thyristor. Scope. And measuring instrument, that is voltmeter and ammeter. So just now just connect this one. Just change this RLC to RL load. Alright. And suppose that this inductance value is put here to line, okay. Just connect this circuit to here and this load from here to here. Now just pulse generator. So just put here the pulse generator with amplitude 5 and what is the time period? 0.2. Pulse width is 50. What you want to phase delay here? Put in second. Suppose that if you want to put at a gate pulse at the 30-degree delay. So what is the phase angle delay? Say?
Alpha value.
If you
30 degree.
30 degree, then just convert that one in second. So just 30 divided by 30 divided by 360 into multiply by the time period. That means 0.02. So just tell me the value here. 30 divided by 360 into 0.02.
Okay. 30 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 6. Let me calculate it. So how you
Yes, this one, whatever you alpha angle, that means 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, जो भी डिले आएगा उसको टोटल में कितना आता है? 2 पाई टाइम पीरियड है, उसको 2 पाई से डिवाइड कर देना, कन्वर्ट करना है सेकंड में, एंड टाइम पीरियड सेकंड में कन्वर्ट कर लियो कितना? 1/50, दैट मींस 0.02. सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय द टाइम पीरियड.
Okay.
So 1/12 into 0.02. Is not.
0.01 by 6.
One by 12, that is equal to 0.083. 0.083 into 0.02. 0.02. 1 divided by 50 equal to 0.02. कितना आ रहा है वैल्यू इसका?
क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं? 40.
0.083 into 0.02. That means
So 0.0166.
0.016. मेरा आ रहा है 0.00163. Just tell me
0.016.
0.016.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever the value that you just to put here, and whatever you want to delay angle alpha supply. So just this gate pulse provide here, and 2 voltmeter is just connect to one through the input voltage waveform and another for the output voltage waveform. Okay. So just connect this one. इसका वैल्यू कितना होगा? पीक एम्पलीट्यूड V maximum, that means √2 into VRMS. So 230 into √2. I think 323 के आसपास कुछ आएगा. 23 point.
324.24.
323 point something आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, phase angle delay just frequency equal to 50 hertz. So just apply and okay. Okay. So just connect this voltmeter from here to here for the measurement of input voltage. This one is not connected in proper manner. And just this voltmeter connected through this scope, and just increase this one. Number of axes, suppose that 3. Okay. And okay. So if you want to connect one voltmeter through the thyristor, then you can just connect. Here, that means connect it across the thyristor. And 1 volt, another voltmeter, you want to connect to this output. Okay. So just connect from to this. Okay, so how many axes required here? 1, 2, 3. If you want to the gate pulse of this one, then we will connect 1 more axis here. That means 4. Just try to connect this one. Okay. So the supply voltage connected by axis 1. Just move this one. And next gate pulse on the second, and next output voltage, that means third one, and next voltage across the thyristor. So this one, just put here 0.03, and just here put on the cables. So it's great, and default value this one. Now run the model. Okay, so just click on this scope here. So this is your supply voltage waveform, and what is the second one? I think we are missing here something.
SCR voltage.
Voltage across the SCR. Okay. So SCR is connected through this one, second one. What is the gate pulse is, I think, not connected in proper manner. Okay.
So yes, sir, gate pulse is not correctly shown, sir, because it starts from the zero station,
Yeah,
but we require.
gate pulse is not connected in proper. So just check this one. Just check this value, gate pulse value. Just this one, check this one. This is correct value for the 30 degree.
Sir, I have told
But-
sir
but-
0.
But we are not able to get the gate pulse waveform, no? That is the problem. You just verify the connection, this one. This one is voltage across the gate, but gate waveform we are not in proper manner. Supply input voltage, output voltage, and voltage across the thyristor. Both are simple. But I think this value is suppose that how much?
Sir, I think the value you have given is that's why it's not showing.
Yeah, this one just verify the phase delay angle value. This one. In the previous class, we already got the proper waveform for the resistive load of the thyristor. Is it not?
The resistive load, sir, we don't have any, sir. Sir, sir.
No, but
But
here
why
we are not, but here we not find for the gate pulse waveform in proper manner. That's why
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we just check this value phase delay angle. Some I think problem here in phase
Sir,
delay.
tell me once the phase delay, I will calculate.
Phase delay in second, calculate by the whatever you want to phase angle delay divided by total one cycle, that means 2 pi, that means 360 into multiply whatever the time period. That means time period is your 1 by 50, that means 0.02.
Yes, sir.
So just to calculate that one. If you consider 30 degree, that means 30 divided by 360, 45 degrees यदि consider कर रहे हो, 45 divided by उतना पे आना चाहिए. Okay. तो इसको जस्ट हम लोग लास्ट क्लास नहीं होगा तो फिर वेरीफाई करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. Yeah, he is showing some problem. I think it's fine. Change it. Okay, so just verify this gate pulse generator in the next class. Other waveform is corresponding to that one. Sinusoidal profile is coming. That means whatever you maybe obtain for the this one, that is 300 maximum value सही आ रहा है ना इसमें 300 के आसपास आ रहा है 300 एंड आउटपुट वोल्टेज भी सेम दिखा रहा है. बट गेट पल्स जो हम लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं ये गेट पल्स का जो डिले हम लोग को चेक करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट ये देखो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ तक 0, यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये वाला. ठीक है, ये गेट पल्स वाला में थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इसको नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग देख लेंगे. आज यहीं पे स्टॉप करते हैं. ठीक है, ओके अक्षय.
Yes sir, yes sir, okay.
So just we stop here, and in the next class we just verify the gate pulse generator. Why not the proper waveform for the gate pulse delay? Okay, so just complete your attendance part also.
Yes sir. Thank you sir.